Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Neelam, your art teacher, and this week we are drawing an easy flower basket. So first of all, I have drawn one curved line in the center and then two standing lines, one left and then one on right side, and these two lines should be equal, and I will connect these two lines with one curved line and then draw some curved lines in the center of this shape with equal gap and some vertical lines. And now we will draw the handle of the basket. So we'll extend the left and right both side towards upward and then connect it with a curved line. Now we'll draw the pattern for the handle. So I will start it from the left side with one curve, and now for second curve I have to start it from the center part of the first curve. Just like that, you have to create a chain or a row of these curved lines, one curve, and then you have to start another curve from the center of the first curve. Now our handle is done. Now in the center area we will draw some flowers, and for flowers just draw the center circle, and then you can draw any type of flower, and you can use any shape for the petals. You can draw 4 petals, you can draw 5 petals, or you can draw more than 5 petals. It's up to you. And I have drawn 2 flowers. These 2 flowers are overlapping the basket. So I have to erase the basket which is overlapped by the flowers. Okay, now I will erase these lines, the part of the basket which is visible inside the flower. So I am erasing this. So before outline you have to erase these lines. And now we will draw 2-3 leaves. Anywhere you can draw leaves. They can overlap the basket, they can overlap the flower, or you can draw some twigs or some stems with small leaves like designer. So it's totally up to you. You can draw any shape for the leaves. And now I will outline the whole drawing with a marker or a sketch pen. You can use anything. We are using oil pastel color, so we can use any sketch pen or any marker. For watercolors we have to use permanent marker for outlining before coloring, but after coloring we can use any marker or sketch pen for watercolors. But in oil pastels we can't use sketch pen after coloring. So we will outline the whole drawing before coloring here. Now after outlining it, we will erase the pencil marks, and then we will start coloring. And I'm using oil pastel colors. Oil pastel colors are softer than crayon colors, so they can overlap easily, they can blend easily, they can merge easily. So for these flower, for one flower I am using light blue color and dark blue color. So this is one technique in which I am overlapping the light color with darker color. I am not blending here, I am not mixing here, I am just overlapping the lighter color with the darker color. And I'm not using any white color here. I have shown the white color, but I'm not using here. And in next flower I will change the technique. I will use darker color first. So I'm using red color as a darker color and pink color as a lighter color. So just I'm coloring the petal half in darker color, and then I will use lighter. I'm using lighter color and I'm blending it with scribbling technique. And I'm using lighter color to blend the darker color. So these are two techniques in two different flowers. So you can use any technique, which one is easy for you. So you can use both technique or one technique and try these flowers. Now in leaves I am using yellow color and light green color. I am not using darker green here because I am taking light green as a dark color and yellow as a light color. After these leaves we will color the basket, and for this basket I am using light brown color and dark brown color. Dark brown means a chocolate one. One is light, one is dark. And I'm not blending here any color, I'm not mixing any color here. Just apply these color in their shapes, in alternate shapes, alternate pattern. And now for the handle I'm using brown color, but I will fill the color inside the flower. There's a gap. Okay, and I'm using chocolate brown, the same color for the handle. And after applying it I will show you the another technique, that is light over dark. So here I'm using again light brown color, and I will blend this brown color and give a finishing touch to it, and it will look smooth and finished. Hope you like the technique. You must try this. Thank you.